Hi, and welcome to the walkthrough video for our Get Social backend. We're going to go ahead and start by starting up our server with npm start. Now that we've got our server connected, let's go through our user routes. So the first route we're going to hit is our get all route, which we can see returns all of our users and their associated thoughts and friends. Our current users don't have any thoughts or friends in the system, but we can see that their arrays are presented. So let's go ahead and snag one of these IDs and go for our find one user route. Awesome, and you can see that it returned the user with that ID, which is Pink Boy. Let's go ahead and update that, and we can turn that one to Green Boy. And we can see we have Green Boy returned. Let's run a get for that, and you can see it's been updated to Green Boy. So in that same idea, let's go ahead and test the delete route. Deleted Green Boy. Let's see if we can get it by that ID. No user found with this ID. Awesome. Let's close out this for a second. The next routes that we're going to test are our friends route. So we're going to add a friend, delete a friend. Let's go ahead and add another user into the database with our post first, which we need to do. And we're going to make a user called Golden Boy. And post that. Awesome. Let's make sure that went ahead and went through. Awesome. So now we have Golden Boy and Golden Girl. So to create a friend, we need a user ID / friend and then the friend ID. So let's go ahead and snag both of these IDs here. So we are going to make Golden Boy friends with Golden Girl / friends. And this is going to be a post route. Awesome. So we see that Golden Boy is returned with a friend count of 1 and that friend's associated ID. So if we get our users again, you can see that Golden Boy has a friend and a friend count of 1. You can also delete that friend on the same route, only switching it to delete. So let's add Golden Boy / friends / our other ID, switch this to delete. Awesome, and now our friend count is back to 0. So that is all of our user routes. Let's go ahead and go to our thought route. Switch this to a get. So the first shot we're going to hit is our get all thoughts. You can see that we have thoughts returned. We can also post a thought. I believe we need a username. And let's do our Golden Boy. Actually, let's do Golden Girl. we'll just do golden boy since we just did it. And then we need a thought text. I think golden boy is better than golden girl. Change this to post. Go ahead and post that. Awesome. So we have that thought going through. Let's change this back to get thoughts. We can see I think golden boy is better than golden girl. We got that posted. So our next one is going to be to delete a thought. So you can go ahead and remove the thought we just made. So we're going to use the ID of that thought. I didn't change it to delete. Awesome. So let's delete. Awesome. And we got that. So the next one that we're going to do is we're going to update a thought. So let's get all of our thoughts again. Let's update this thought. Just to put our username is Blue Boy, and we will change the thought text to my favorite color is actually green. Awesome. And that went ahead and went through for us. My favorite color is actually green. We can see that our put route is working. So the next routes we need to use are our reaction routes. So for this one we need a thought ID. We can go ahead and use this one again. And then slash reactions. And this one is going to take a username, and reaction text, I believe, is what it's called. This is surprising to me. Change this to post. Awesome. And we can see that my favorite color is green thought now is returning a reaction from golden boy. So let's change this back to get thoughts. And you can see that it is returned again with the ID. And then our last route is to delete. So in that case we need the ID of the thought, reactions, and then the reaction ID. Change this to delete. And we can see that our reaction count now doesn't exist because we have deleted that reaction. Awesome. And that is all of the routes for our Get Social backend. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.